Good day to all. We are from SM Stella Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, and our innovation project title is Bioethanol Fuel from Scotch Rice. My name is Erina Salisa as a team leader, and my teammates are Alisha Madia and Dayan Putri Ariana.
We are turning 16 this year and we are guided by our experienced advisor, Miss Elizabeth Reset. Our project focuses on turning Scotch rice into sustainable bioethanol fuel to reduce food waste and to also support clean energy.
And we hope you enjoy our presentation. Food is a universal love. Everyone has their favorite dishes. Yet, in today's world, food waste is an intensifying crisis. Take rice crust, for example. Often tossed aside for being too hard, and it's commonly seen as useless. In Malaysia, 44% of total waste is food, with 16,720 tons discarded daily, including 24% of them are still edible, which is enough to feed 2 million people. Throwing away food waste doesn't just fill up landfills. It also releases methane, a potent greenhouse gas that intensifies greenhouse effect. This is harmful to our planet, especially when vast amounts of rice crusts are discarded every day.
But what if I told you this overload scrap could be transformed into something truly valuable? Our team has developed an innovative solution to tackle this problem, transforming rice crust into fuel. We call it bioethanol fuel. Our innovation aims to address these challenges by converting food waste, particularly rice crust, into bioethanol fuel. What is bioethanol fuel, you may ask? Bioethanol fuel is a type of fuel alternative that is renewable and cleaner. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in and explore this exciting process of producing bioethanol fuel, from transforming agricultural waste into a sustainable energy source to reduce our carbon footprint.
Now, let's move on to the process. First, collect rice crusts. We don't have rice crusts, so we made them using leftover rice from home. Then, blend them in the blender and slowly add half a liter of distilled water to create a slurry. After that, transfer them in a jar and add the remaining distilled water. Mix. Now, put them in a pot for a heating process. Heat the slurry to 80 to 90 degrees Celsius to gelatinize the starch. After we add this, we allow the solution to cool down before we move on to the next step.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Next, we will be going to the next step, which is fermentation. Once the mixture has cooled, add 2 teaspoons of yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar, but these are optional. Then, transfer the solution into a clean jar. Cover the top with a food wrap, tie it securely to hold it in place. And let the mixture ferment in a warm place for 3 to 5 days.
Several days later.
Moving on to step 4, which is distillation. Pour the fermented solution into a heat-safe pot with a small container in the center. Cover with an inverted lid, add ice on top and heat to 78.5 degrees Celsius. Ethanol vapor will condense on the lid and drip into the container.
Step 5. Testing the bioethanol through flammability test. Pour a small amount of bioethanol into metal dish and ignite it using a long lighter or match. The ethanol burns with a clean blue flame indicating it is suitable as fuel. This flammability test is conducted in a well-ventilated area away from flammable materials. Use a wet towel to extinguish fire by smothering them, cutting off the oxygen supply needed for the fire to burn. We have conducted a survey through Google Form among our classmates, and the results were revealing. An overwhelming 70% of students admitted to throwing away their rice crusts, and only 30% repurposed it, such as by feeding it to animals and using it for compost. This finding highlights a significant waste of resource and underscore the relevance of our innovation, a bioethanol fuel as a sustainable solution.
So, as you can see, converting rice crust into bioethanol fuel reduces landfill waste, lowers greenhouse gas emissions, and
provides a cost-effective solutions for energy production, particularly in rice-producing regions like Malaysia, our country.
With growing demands and increasing environmental concerns, the search for solutions have never been more urgent. With that, our team's innovations have explored how bioethanol can reduce our needs for fossil fuels, cut carbon emissions, and a more greener future. By turning food waste into fuel, we're not just addressing the energy challenges, but also we're tackling management issues.
Before we end this video, just imagine a world where the waste we used to throw away fuels our car, powers our home, and builds a cleaner and also a brighter future. With our innovations, we're not just creating bioethanol, we're creating possibilities.
We believe in the power of simple actions to drive big changes. Join us in making this vision a reality. Together, we can fuel the future and protect the planet for generations to come. Thank you!
Listen, tengok. Tu mata. Sit, you sit lah. You stand behind that. No, be. Oh. Putih. Best to the best. Friend to the friend. 안녕하세요. Best friend to the best.
Hi,
Then make
so
a
what
special
has solution this overload scrap company?
Sini, come here. Then Carl.
Boy to!
Oh, boy. Come to the boy. Okay.
Say hi to the camera. Oh my god, pantat.
You turn away.
Iya ba?
What is that? Pagkatai. We call it bioethanol fuel.
Easing environmental concerns.